Chepkwony kaachiel gi Helen Chepkorir joloch ng'we kinda mag Standard Chartered Nairobi Marathon manobagi okinyi ma kawuono e chuny boma ma Nairobi. Chepkwony notieko e thuolo mokwongo e kidieny mar yowuoyi tok ringo kuom seche 2 dakika 11 gi nyiri 1. Jang'wech Alex Saeko notieko e thuolo mar 2 e kinde ma Ezekiel Omulo nokawo thuolo mar 3. E kidieny mar wakeini Helen Chepkorir notieko e thuolo mokwongo tok ringo kuom seche 2 dakika 27 gi nyiri 17 kendo lo ng'we mokwongo. Naomi Chepkorir kaachiel gi Scholastica Chepkemboi notieko e thuolo mar 2 gi 3 kaluwore. E kidieny mar ng'we nus kinda Joshua Githuku gi Karen Wainaina nokawo loch e kidieny mar yowuoyi gi wakeini kaluwore.
It gives us great confidence. First, the fact that Nairobians and Kenyans at large have trust in us. I mean, it takes a lot to put this event together, but if people don't show up, then you don't have an event. So I think it gives us a lot of trust, and also shows that as Kenya and as the home of marathon running, that we can actually create something very big.
The reason why we're here today to support the races is because we understand there's a growing culture around running. We want to tap into the fact that more people want to live a healthier lifestyle. Our 2 brands allow us to tap into that community, enabling us to work with them and grow our ability to support them as they take up healthier alternatives to what we have in the market.
This marathon has become a very strategic tourism asset because it brings visitors from out of the country. When they are here, they are able to see the products we have in Kenya. They stay a little longer, and that segment of sports tourism is really attracting many people.